Want to keep up with the latest Chris Barter of the First videos? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell.
What's going on? What's going on, guys? Chris Barter, First here. We're back in Stormworks, and yes, folks, we're back once again. And today, we're gonna be doing Steamship Survival today. Now, guys, I want to apologize. I'm not filmed this week. There was Tech Week. I'm in a musical, so yeah. So I couldn't film either way. So today we're back, and we got another ship here. So we're gonna be doing Steamship Survival with a ship. This is the HMS Arcatron by GB Danny 96. So we know this ship's gonna be good. We know it. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, down in the engine room. We go. So yeah, guys, let's take a tour of this ship real quick. So up here's the main deck. Down here is your engine room slash crew quarters. You got rooms there, rooms here, rooms right here, rooms here, forecastle right here. Beautiful. You also got a great cabin here with a mini clock. And you got your map right there. So, yeah. I think that's the whole ship, honestly. I don't think I missed anything. But I will certainly go down and check. Nope, just a cargo hold, and that's it. That's awesome. So it's not a big ship, but it's packed with features. We'll say that. Exterior lights. There we go. I'm pretty sure we'll get moving once we get telegraphed up. Yes, we are. That is awesome. I also want to make sure it is on that. Oops. I heard that the weather's supposed to get pretty bad today, so yeah. Keep going with that. But I guess we'll see you guys when we get further out. No, let's just enjoy this. Get that music kicking up. Alright. Nothing better than be just out on the open water. Man, this thing is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. I also want to make sure I'm equipped with binoculars. Oh, I'm already equipped with those. Also have first aid as well. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, folks, this is great. I guess we will see you guys further out to sea. Alrighty, folks, we are all rolling right on the sea here. We're setting sail, and as you can see, it's getting pretty nasty out here. Yeah, the waves are not that terrible, but they're still enough to make someone seasick, I would say. But they are not like really, really bad. But yeah, this is not what we expected here. Yeah, this is what we expected, but we expected rain and waves, but we didn't expect it this bad. So, maybe somebody made the wrong forecast or something. I don't know, no telling what it was. Also, guys, I have to say something. There's something weird out here at night, and hopefully we do not encounter it. The Stormworks Coast Guard wants to know whatever this thing is. It's a kraken-like creature that has, like, so many tentacles on it, and the Stormworks Coast Guard wants to get it captured and to see what the actual heck this thing is and what it's doing out here. So the Stormworks Coast Guard is working on that. We'll be working on that in the next episode, probably, hopefully, maybe not, maybe so, I don't know. Yeah, it's getting dark now. Yeah, we're just gonna be rolling on the sea, pretty much having a night here. Yeah, no telling what that thing was. We're telling what that thing is, or what that creepy thing is. Hopefully we don't encounter him, or whatever the heck that creepy thing is. Let's hope we don't encounter him. But I will say this. Yes, Stormworks Coast Guard's working hard on capturing that thing. We're seeing it for the first time, getting a good explanation or a good observation on that creature. It's like I said, it's like a kraken-like feature. It's been in Stormworks since no telling when that thing came about, but it's out here, and yeah. Yeah, let's hope we don't encounter him. I'm actually kind of afraid being out on the sea at night now because of that thing. There's a ship right in front of us. Hopefully we're gonna miss him. But we'll see you guys further out to sea. Alright, folks. Yeah. This is some real serious weather now. And we're gonna sink if we don't close that. Oh man, we got a huge list. I don't think this ship is meant to take this. I mean, the waves are completely just listed this thing apart. Whatever the heck. What ship is that? That's a fishing trawler. Okay. My God, this thing is. Oh my God! Hey, hang on. We got this ship. Please hang on. Please don't capsize on us, please. Dear God. No, we did not expect the weather to be this bad. Oh, wow. Okay, there is no bridge on this ship, so I am not safe to this at all. I'm in danger. I am in danger right now. Oh, good God. Alright, hang on. Hang the frick on. Okay, I'll see you guys further out to sea. Alright folks, just check, make sure everything is good in the captain's quarters here. Everything seems okay. Why did the engine just start to stop? Hold on guys, without power real quick. We need to come down here and get these things started up. Alright, the heck. Go. Let's get out of here. Okay. We're taking on water. Okay. We're taking on water. We need to get out of here. And that is it. Hold up. Is that gonna stop? Is that gonna stop? No, it's not gonna. We're taking on water. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We need to go. Okay, come on. I don't need this in my life. Come on, Captain Deckhouse. There we go. Oh, that's not gonna help me even more. That's not gonna help, bro. That's not gonna help. Come on, get out. No. Oh, this was a mistake coming down here. The waves are too intense. I can't get out of here. I'm gonna die with the ship, guys. If I don't get out of here, I'm going to die with the ship. There we go. I'm out. Alright. Priority. Lifeboat. Oh, yeah, we are so going down. No, I've got swept away from the ship. Come on, get me back on. No, we don't need this. Alright, right. No. I need to get back on. I need a lifeboat. Come on. No way it's gonna go down that quick. No way. Lifeboat. Come on, no! It's going down that fast, bro! Dude, we did not have time there. Dude, hold on. Lights just start flickering. Come on. No! It's gone. No, there it goes. It's gone, guys. It's gone like that. Holy crap. Are you kidding me? It is gone just like that. Unbelievable. Wow. There it is. Wait. What is that out there? Do you see that? What is that? Ship is down. It's gone. Are you kidding me, dude? Are you actually, like, serious? Alright, I need to clear up this water. Alright, so we lost. Yeah, that was, I don't know what to do. What is that out there? Honestly, is that? Make it back to day real quick. What ship is that? Oh, that's just a tugboat. It's down, guys. It is down. And it's semi-capsized. Wow. That is a little bit... Wow. Alright. So, that's pretty good. We lost the sinking ship survival, but, I guess that's fine. We'll see you guys when we get back to Coast Guard base, which will just be over here. Alright, folks, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. today's episode of Stormworks Build and Rescue. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and until next time, I guess we will see you guys next time on Stormworks. Thank you. Peace out, guys.